Guys, I just launched and I think I glitched it. -2 metal, -15 gold. What is this? What does that mean? What does that mean? What happens if I click clear all? There's nothing. What does this mean though? -15 gold. I'm pretty sure I put all my gold into this boat. So 15 gold would have taken away like half of my boat. -2 metal would have taken away 2 of my metal. Maybe. No, wait, probably not, because I have a lot of metal. But this makes no sense. How did I even... What happened? We launched, and then it didn't disappear. Can I build? No way, I can't. Well, yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wait, how do I... Can I seriously not get this out of my screen? What? Oh no. This might stay for a long time. Well, yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!